Replacing chromatograph seal rings requires precision to maintain system integrity. Step 1. Disconnect the instrument from power and release pressure fluids. Step 2. Use specialized tools to disassemble components carefully, avoiding damage to the housing or grooves. Step 3. Remove the old seal and clean the mating surfaces with isopropyl alcohol. Step 4. Install the new seal, ensuring proper alignment without twists. Step 5. Reassemble, test for leaks, and calibrate the system before use.